And because things don't always go as planned, today I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do if you want to grow broccoli in pots with well-formed heads, and not like these here. This is a classic sign that something went wrong during the growing process. Let's go back to the beginning. I started these broccoli from seeds, sowed them, and let them grow until they were ready to transplant. The seeds germinated very well and grew quickly. After 2 weeks, they reached the ideal size for transplanting. When they are at least 2 to 4 inches, that is 5 to 10 centimeters, and also when they already have true leaves, then you can transplant the broccoli. I transplanted them into these homemade large pots, which I put 25 liters of volume of soil. You should use pots or containers with at least 20 liters of volume. And here was my first mistake. You should only put one broccoli plant per pot. Despite the pots being large, broccoli develops extensive root systems. What happened here was that the plants grew with tangled roots and with little room to grow. Despite this, before the broccoli heads started to appear, the plant was growing well. This is month 2 after transplant and everything looks fine. Another important point is that broccoli plants should grow in a cool season. Otherwise, the heads will not fill out properly and the plant will bolt quickly. This may also have been one of the causes because this plant was growing mainly during the autumn. And where I am, the temperatures are moderate at that time of the year. Inconsistent watering also causes malformations of the heads. This was not the case here because I kept the soil always moist, never saturated with water, and never allowed it to dry out. And finally, the fourth reason that contributed to what happened was nutrient imbalance, especially nitrogen. I've never fertilized this soil, and when we're growing plants this size, especially in pots, fertilization becomes particularly important. As broccoli is a heavy feeder, feed regularly with a balanced fertilizer, then slightly higher nitrogen before head formation. This is 3.5 months after transplanting, and we can see the broccoli heads are not well formed. These broccoli are still edible, but the texture isn't ideal and the flavor can be stronger and more bitter. On the other side, well-developed broccoli should look like this. So if you're going to grow broccoli in pots, don't forget, using large pots, consistent watering, fertilization, and cool temperatures are critical for success. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you in our next video and goodbye.